Hey, what's up you guys, it's Christiana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's YouTube video is workout with me at the park. So I'm training for my second-degree black belt in karate, and that means I need to get in shape. So I thought it would be a good idea just to have you guys come along with me on my workout. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and let's just get started. Okay, so I've actually already been at the park for like an hour. I was just warming up at first, and then I did my open form for my karate. I'll insert a clip of that right now. It's not the best, but it's a lot harder to do it with shoes on at the park in the grass than it is on the mat barefoot. Okay, so the first exercise I did is called a step up. So as you can tell, you step up with one foot, bring the other foot up, and then you step down one foot, and then step down the other foot, and then I added a squat. Usually you would use weights and hold them by your side, but I didn't have weights, so I just did it empty-handed. If you add the squat, it also works out your butt a lot, but just doing a step up will work out your legs. So I did 15 reps and 3 sets, meaning I did 15 of these, took a break, did another 15, and took another break, and then did a final 15. Next, I did bench push-ups. This works out your chest and your shoulders. You're supposed to keep your back straight and your head up, but I don't have good form because I don't have the strength in my arms to actually hold myself yet. But yeah, I just did 15, and I did 3 sets of that again. I believe this exercise is called a box jump because usually you would use one of those exercise box thingies, but I used the bench instead. All you do is jump on and off of the bench. Just be careful when you do this because you don't want to slip. I almost slipped a few times, but this works out your legs. If you're moving your arms the way I am, that's going to work out your back and your arms. So yeah, just an extra little tip. I also did 15 and then 3 sets of these. Now I'm doing leg lifts. Put your hands under your butt and then lift your legs. And then when you bring your legs down, just make sure that you don't set them down. You have to keep them up. This works out your core, meaning your abs, and it works out your legs as well. And I also just did 15 and 3 sets of these. Now I'm just doing crunches, but this really works out your core. And yeah, it's better to do them fast because they're not that hard. And I just did 15 3 times as well. What I'm doing now is just a close hand push-up. My back should have been straight and my head should have been up, but I don't have the strength to keep myself up. But these work your chest and your triceps. And to end my workout, I'm just doing a basic plank on my elbows. And I just did 15-second planks, and I repeated this 3 different times. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!